Hello, my name is John, and I'm the owner of the Good Steward Online. We are a bookkeeping service located in Wasilla, Alaska. For today's QuickBooks Online tip, I'm going to show you how you can track cost per projects. A real life scenario of this would be, let's say you have a contractor, they're doing multiple jobs for one customer, and they want to track the profit and loss per job rather than per customer. This is going to give them a better look at the profitability of each of those projects. And QuickBooks Online has a way of doing this. It's pretty easy to set up, so I just want to walk you through the steps. The first thing you want to do is click on this settings gear in your company. And this is a sample company that we have loaded up from QuickBooks Online. So click on the settings gear, and it's going to open this box. This pop-up is going to show. And click on the account and settings for your company. Once you click on the account and settings, go over here to the left and click on the advanced settings. When you scroll down on your advanced settings, you're going to see that it says projects, organize all job related activity in one place. On this company, this is currently set to off. So we want to change that. We want to toggle it to on. Scroll down just a bit and you want to click the save button on that project. Now it is saved where QuickBooks is going to be able to track per projects. So we can click done over here on the right bottom of our screen. It's going to bring us back to this. Now we can create a project so that we can track it, track our expenses. So over here on the left, we're going to scroll down until we see projects and just click projects. And this pop-up is going to come up. Click start a project. The first thing it's going to ask you is what is this project? So let's say that we are doing a bathroom remodel. And who's this project for? We need to choose a customer that this project is going to be attached to. Let's just choose John Melton for this example. And we need a start date of the project. We're going to choose today's date and an end date of the project. And let's choose next Monday, the 20th. The project status. So we need to choose if this project has been started, in progress, or not started, in progress, or completed, or if it's been canceled. It also allows you to add the address for the project. And then just let's click save on this. Okay, so now the bathroom remodel project has been added for John Melton. So when we have an expense that comes up, let's just run through an example on this. And let's say that we have a bill that came in from, let's choose a vendor here. Let's say this for this project was Norton Lumber and Building Supply. And we bought some material to use on this bathroom remodel job. So it's job material. And let's say we bought a bathtub and some plumbing supplies. And we spent $350. So we're going to click this as a billable expense, meaning that when we pull up the invoice for John Melton, we can pull that expense through to his invoice. I have another video explaining how to do that in more detail. But notice here that we have chosen that this goes not just to John Melton, but we have identified it as going to the project that is under his name, the bathroom remodel project. And we're going to click save. So now if we close out of this window and we were to go back to our project screen, we can see under the bathroom remodel, we can track this and we see that we have a $350 cost on this particular project. And just because we haven't recorded any income for this project, it shows that this project has a net profit of negative $350. We can also track hours on this job. Uh, we can track all of our costs so that we can have a clear picture on the profit and loss. We could also create other projects under John Melton. So maybe we are doing a kitchen remodel job, maybe we're doing a landscaping job for him, and we want to track those separately. So that does it. That's how you track individual projects, creating them and tracking them in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tip today to be helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue to upload content helping you learn QuickBooks Online.